Right, do your dance.
Here she goes.
Here she goes.
Yay!
Yay! Do it again. We want to see this dance. Right? Dance with mommy. Go. Yay! Miriam, show us your dance. Oh, there we go. Yay! Come here. Miriam, dance with mommy. Go. Yay!
It's very subtle, yet.
Very effective.
Yes. Miriam, do your dance.
Oh, that's not going to be very helpful with the mail on your foot. Yeah. Alright. Do your dance.
We didn't teach her this, by the way.
No, this was totally invented by herself. Yay!
Yay!
I'm dancing. You're such a good dancer. Dancing. Okay, I'll dance. You dancing for Hershey?
He's wagging his tail at her. That's really funny.
This is a new dance.
She's on Hershey now.
You hamming it up. You're hamming it up for the camera.